Hey folks, welcome to another Saturday Night with Tom Petty on the Judge Timbers channel. This is going to be Think About Me by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers off their Let Me Up, I've Had Enough album. It's a great rock and roll track. This is just a little acoustic arrangement for this, but you can play along to the record. There's only a couple of chords to this song, so it's a fun one. Just have fun with this one. Whether you play it by yourself or play it with a band, whatever you want to do. I don't think there's any acoustic guitars in this song, but maybe there is. But let's just get into it. Guitar is in standard tuning. There's no capo. The main pattern is going to be an A to a G, D to a D. So A, G to a D. So in real time, right? A, G, D, A, G, D. So that's most of the verses, that's most of the song actually. And then, oh yeah, you're gonna stay at the A, G, D, and then you're gonna go D, A, D, A. One of these days, repeat that. Girl, you better believe D, A, D, A. Honey, wait and see. Now I'm gonna go to a B7, however you wanna play your B7. Couple of options, but I'm gonna play the B7 just open. Yeah, you better believe to an E, you're gonna think about A, G, D, A, G, D. That's everything except the middle part, which is just one chord. It's just an E chord. I said, oh, pretty baby, is it something I've said? Tell me why, little baby, why must you play with my head? You hold that E, it's back to the A, G, D, A, G, D, A. We'll end it there. That's it, folks. Trying to keep this in under 5 minutes. That's Think About Me by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. Hopefully I'll see you next Saturday night with another lesson. Take care, everyone. I'll see you soon.